Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose and this is Roxy Rose Guide. Come on guys, decorate with me. So today is really cool because today we are going to decorate our teacher planner. If you looked at my last video, I unboxed this Plum Paper Teacher Planner that I got online that's fully customized, and I looked through all of the pages in the last video. Before we get started with the video, I just want to do a quick reminder. Remember, for those happy subscribers that are commenting down below, I am doing a giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away not one, not two, but 3 Happy Planner sticker books. All right, I found them online. They usually go for about $10 or more, but guess what? I found them and I want to give out these sticker books as soon as I get 50 subscribers. Now I'm probably doing this earlier. If I have 50 subscribers when I post this video, it's probably because I recorded before I have my 50 subscribers. But let me tell you what, when I get my 50 subscribers, I'm going to be so happy. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want one of these sticker books. Now, there's a few things that you're going to need in order to decorate and set up your teacher planner. You're going to need your planner, okay? Go online, check the stores, and see what teacher planner that you want to use. I use the Plum Paper Teacher Planner. If you send me your email, I will be able to send you a reference code so that you will be able to get a teacher planner. You get 10% off. So send me your email. I don't think it shows up. I think it shows up as inappropriate actually. But if you do, I'll go ahead and send you the reference for this. Okay. Next thing you need. Okay. That's very important. Print out your school calendar. You're going to need your school calendar anyway, but print out your school calendar. So I work for DOE NYC, and they already have the 2021 to 22 school year calendar. So I just printed the whole thing out. It's 2 pages. So I know every day that I'm working, every day that I'm not working, and possible other days for events and things that are coming up. The next thing that we really need are stickers. You know I love my stickers. I want to shout out this Etsy store, Tori Grant Designs. She has amazing stickers that I was able to get online. Here's her card that she has. All right, time to make the magic happy. Tori Grants. She sent a nice card saying thank you for ordering from her site. But I loved hers because she had amazing, beautiful stickers for teachers. Yes. So these are beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the stickers that were in my older sticker book. Like I have an older sticker book from Target. You know, and I used to have those, but you know, those are the ones that you're finished with first. But guess what? I have these stickers, and they're beautiful, and they're not too big either, so they can definitely go in my planner. They can definitely go in my planner. And I have this old sticker book that I got from Target. Target sells stickers all the time and a lot of things for teachers, so definitely stop by Target, especially in August. Then I also got the Happy Planner Teachers Rule Big, and this is a bunch of stickers also. I think I got this from Michael's and it was expensive. I use highlighters. Sometimes I use markers. Okay. And also I got these new highlighters out of Walmart. They're really, really cute. And guess how much they were? $1. Okay. So I like the different colors that they have here. I've been looking for like a purple one for a while and I couldn't find it. And I have, so you know, these pens. These pens are the ones that all teachers love. They're hard to come by. You don't want people to even borrow them. Okay. So make sure you got your tip pens. And I even put pencils sometimes because guess what? Sometimes you want to write stuff in there that's tentative, but not for sure. You should definitely write it with a pencil. Let's get started with our decorating. Okay. The first thing I always do in my planner, because it helps me throughout the whole year, I go ahead and look at all the dates that I have in the calendar and I look for all the dates that we will be on vacation or the school will be closed. All right. Now, the reason I do that is because there's a lot of days that the school will be closed, and I need to make sure I plan for those days, those weeks. It also helps put a break in between our school year to let us know, all right, I'm going to, I'm grinding this week because I know that next week we're going to be off. The kids won't be here. And I also need to know what the plan for the following week when they get back and they act like they haven't been to school since summertime. So it's really important to know those days that you have off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here and go to my month. And when I go to my month, I'm going to take out my yellow highlighter. I like to always put it in yellow. It really helps me out. And I'm going to do that right now. Now, if you don't know, in public schools in NYC, when there are days where the school is going to be closed or we're supposed to have a snow day, we're actually going to turn it into a remote day. I know it's not fair. It don't make any sense. But for some reason, that's what they're doing. So I'm going to add it onto this calendar. So now I just went through all my months and I went ahead and added the days that we are not in school and the days that the school is closed and students are home. I also use other colors. This represents the days that we are closed. The school is closed and students are not to come to school. This represents the days that we will be remote. Because there are days like election day where we're going to be remote. And this is a day I use the blue to represent those days where the students are home and they do not have to be remote, but we will be in school doing trainings and professional development and clerical day and blah, blah, blah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look through each of our months and our calendar, because I've definitely been using this calendar over there to help guide me, and start putting stickers for those really important days that we're going to need to know. Now what I do is look through my other my other sticker books to see if I can find any inspirational quotes, any pictures and different things that I want to put depending on the different months. I don't put stickers where the long breaks are or the vacations are, because I feel like it should say vacation. And I'll see if I can find something that says vacation. But other than that, I just go ahead and go through these and put on more stickers. So let's do that now. So now I put in some stickers. Now, if you do know concrete dates, like when you're going to have parent-teacher conference, when you're going to have certain professional developments or other things throughout the year, this would be a great time for you to insert it. If you're not so sure about it and it's really tentative, I think it would be really important to write it with a pencil so that you don't have any issues with doing your planner. If you're like me, you do not like to white out anything inside of your planner. So definitely make sure that you go ahead and use a pencil, and then you can always erase it and then write it back with a pen or with our our Papermate pens, our Flair pens. But basically, I went ahead and took this time to go over how I decorate my planner for the year. I only did those in the beginning. As soon as I get my schedule, I'm going to go ahead and not just do the month, but I'll also be able to go into the weeks so I can put in the subjects and the things that I have to do. And I'll probably do that more like on a monthly basis. I hope that you guys have a wonderful year, teachers. Enjoy. You are doing an amazing job. And guess what? What you do is so important. Teachers, you are influencing the world to learn, to grow, and to achieve so many things. Thank you. Thank you for watching. God bless. Roxy Rose out. Have a great year. Take care.